The 2013 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, traction control, remote engine start, stability control, cruise control, pre-collision system, power windows, heated steering wheel, fog lights, power brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.